Welcome to this very quick video. We're showing you here the Moodle orientation. We're still in the first section. As you can see here, section 2 and section 3 are closed or locked until you finish section 1. So we're going to go straight into the quiz. Remember, you can always navigate on the left side here in this left side column. So we're going to click on Welcome to All Practice Quiz. I'm going to begin to attempt this quiz now. Our quizzes in the orientation are very simple. They're all multiple choice. You can navigate over here on the right, or you can just scroll down and see we have just 3 questions. There'll be more in the quizzes that you do for section 2 and section 3. So for this particular practice quiz, it's not so important what you answer. The questions are easy. Was it easy for you to upload a profile picture? True or false, this orientation aims to provide support for learners who are new to the Wilmette Institute. And how many Wilmette Institute courses have you taken in the past 2 years? And then you're going to click at the bottom where it says finish attempt in blue. And now you have the opportunity to go back to the quiz if you think you want to review it. You can use the navigation on the right here, of course, to get back to a particular question. And then you click again to finish the attempt after you have updated your quiz. And you need to click this last button that says submit all and finish. And then there's still another button that's going to pop up for you to submit all and finish with this warning that once you submit your answers, you won't be able to change them. You will immediately see the results of the quiz. And if you want to go back to do it again, you can do it again. The way to do it again is to go back to the quiz and reattempt quiz. So you can reattempt your quizzes as many times as you like. You will get the answers after you do the first quiz. Okay, well, that is it for now. Thank you.